Welcome to Caney Rail Productions. Today we see foreign power, really long intermodals, and some nighttime traffic. First train of the day is a Bnsf MOW train led by Bnsf 6003. Interesting thing about Bnsf 6003 is it's been missing its painted door since about mid-2016. There's no exact date, but that's a rough estimate. This train showed up right as we pulled up to our spot, so it kind of sucked how I didn't have a tripod or have my camera out to take photos. And just our luck, 3 minutes later, this next train comes with NS number 8108 in tow, so it kind of sucked how I missed both of these trains. Our next train of the day is led by Bnsf number 7348 with 4 mid-train DPUs. That's the most I've ever seen. Let me know down in the comments if you've ever seen a train with more. In the mix with these Bnsf DPUs is CSX number 3140, and I still can't believe that there were 4 mid-engine DPUs on this train. After that train accelerated out of here, this made way for our next train, led by Bnsf number 3997, going an estimated 50 miles an hour. This train was going way faster than it looked like in the video, but the camera just does not do justice how fast this train was going. And for our last train of the day, we get a nighttime Bnsf intermodal speeding out of the yard. And that's all we saw today. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you like this shorter format, like and subscribe for more.